What's up, YouTube? Back outside again. As you can see, it's a winter snowstorm on October 29th, 2011. A couple hours ago, I shot a video of the beginning. So far, this is what we got. As you can see, my car is pretty much covered, but not fully. Take a look around. It's still coming down pretty nicely. Wow. It's cool to sell out here too. Ain't even gonna lie. Shit. Let's get my car. Wow. If I gotta go back out later on, well, go out later on, period, I might have to take all the nuts off my car. Problem is, I don't have anything to do it with. That's gonna suck. Can't believe it's actually snowing this October. So you can only imagine what the winter gonna bring.